One of the best practices in Vidalytics is smart autoplay, and this allows your video to play automatically from the beginning. And if the browser is going to allow it, it's going to play with sound. And if not, then it's going to fall back to muted autoplay. Now, the thing about this is that on average, it takes 7 seconds for somebody to unmute your video. And if the very beginning of your video isn't super visually appealing, then it may be a little bit not as effective than if you had a little bit more visually appealing, attention-grabbing, juicy beginning of your video. So what we did at Vidalytics is we innovated a new feature called Video Thumbnails. Let me show you how they work. So basically what this is that instead of having smart autoplay at the beginning of your video, what you can have is a video on loop that plays at the beginning, and it can be something that's a lot more attention grabbing, like explosions and things like that. I'm just joking, but something that really kind of makes them want to, click and engage with the video. So we can see here that when this video is unmuted, it actually plays from the beginning, just like it would normally. And in this case, it's me, a talking head in the studio here, talking about the offer at hand. So that is how a video thumbnail works. Let me show you how to set it up. So in your account, you would go over to Thumbnails. This is from the settings page in Vidalytics. You go over to the right-hand panel. Under Style, you go to Thumbnails. And here, you can have either a video on loop, or you can have an image. Now, the image is going to be something that is either randomly picked from the video, or you can upload your own thumbnail if you want. But if you choose video, you do that, and then you select from the video itself. So you can choose something deeper into the video, something that, again, is more exciting and drives them to want to unmute the video or start to watch it, to click to play it. What you can also do here that is really interesting, that's coming soon, is the ability to upload your own video thumbnail. So this could be something that's not a part of your video at all, but it's something that is designed specifically to grab attention at the very beginning of this video that's maybe congruent with your best converting ad. It could even be a video ad itself that you just upload into Vidalytics, something that's really congruent with what they're expecting, something that's exciting that makes them want to unmute the video and click to play it so that they start watching it. Because if people don't watch your video, then they're not going to convert from it. So this is a way to really kind of drive higher engagement, which we have found has a 28% correlation with conversion. So the more that you can get people to unmute the video, the more you're going to get them to engage with it, and the more they're going to ultimately buy from your videos. So this is something that is super easy to set up in Vidalytics because it's only a few clicks, and it is something that can really kind of make a difference for you based on what's happening in the rest of your funnel and at the very beginning of your video if you're using smart autoplay. So go and set that up in your account right now.